Hey everyone, Lauren Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Welcome to the world of precision manufacturing, where computer numerical control, or CNC, machines play a crucial role in shaping modern industry. At the heart of every CNC machine lies a critical component, the spindle. In this video, we'll delve into the world of CNC spindles, exploring what they are and how they work. A CNC spindle is a high-speed rotating axis that serves as a primary cutting tool in a CNC machine. Its main function is to hold and rotate cutting tools such as drills, mills, and routers at incredibly high speeds, allowing for precise material removal and shaping. Components of a CNC spindle. A typical CNC spindle consists of several key components. The motor provides the power and speed required for high-performance cutting. The bearings ensure smooth, vibration-free operation, while the tool holder securely grips the cutting tool in place. So how does it all work? The CNC spindle receives instructions from the machine's control system, which dictates the speed, direction, and position of the spindle. As the spindle rotates, the cutting tool removes material from the workpiece, following a precise programmed path. In conclusion, the CNC spindle is a remarkable piece of engineering that plays a vital role in modern manufacturing. Its precision, speed, and versatility make it an indispensable tool for industries ranging from aerospace to automotive and everything in between. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about CNC spindles, please visit our website or contact us directly.